We're coming into the John Henry Brookes building on Headington campus at Oxford Brookes University. Lots happens in this building, and it's where you will find Headington Library. We also have a library on our Swindon campus, which you're very welcome to use. Both libraries offer the same service, and most importantly, they both have wonderful library staff who can help you find what you need for your assessments and your research.
This is the main entrance to the library on level 1. You can also get into the library from the forum on level 0 and from by the JHB lecture theatre on level 2. The advantage to coming in at level 1 is the friendly library staff on the welcome desk.
You can come and ask the team for help. That's why we're here. Maybe you're not sure where to find what you need or how to get started with the research, but you can just come and ask. Later on, we'll show you some of the other ways you can contact us and ask questions.
Books and study spaces are available on levels 2, 3 and 4 of the library, all of which are accessible by stairs and a lift. On the landing of each floor, there's a map of the floor helping you find your way around. Each floor is divided into different study zones, so pick if you want to be silent, be quiet, or work with others in a group and choose the area that matches that. You'll know which area is which by looking at our traffic light signs. You'll also see these colours on the library maps, so you can see which area best meets your needs.
So what do these numbers mean? When you find a book you want, either on your reading list or through the library search, it'll have a call number. This is usually a number followed by 3 letters. This is the information you'll need to help you find the book on the shelves. So if I want to find this book, I can see the call number starts with 618. The pink wall shows which books are on which floor, and I can see that 618 starts on level 3. Next, I'll use the map to help me decide whether to go left or right, and I can see that 618 is in this area. And now we can use the signs on the end of the shelves to help us find the right shelf. Remember, books on similar topics are shelved together, so there might be some other useful books nearby too.
To borrow a book, you'll need to use one of our self-issue machines. The pictures on the screen will show you what to do. First, scan the barcode on your student card, then place the book on the machine. Check that it shows up on the list on the screen. You can just press Done when you're finished. You'll get an email receipt letting you know when the book is due back. If the book has not been requested by anyone else, it will renew automatically. When you're ready to return your book, just post it through this slot. You don't need your student card to return books. You'll get an email letting you know that the book has been returned.
There are PCs throughout the library which you're welcome to use. You can just log in using your usual Oxford Brookes student number and password. All of these PCs have read-to-text and other accessibility features. You're welcome to use your own laptop in the library if you have one. There's Wi-Fi throughout the building, and you'll find plug sockets either in the tables or in the floor.
If you want to print, photocopy or scan, we use a system called Uniprint. It works the same in the library as in other parts of the university. You'll need to add credit to your Uniprint account if you want to print or photocopy, and scanning is free. You'll need your student card to log in to the machines. You can see our web pages for some helpful step-by-step videos on how to do this.
This is the platform, a big group working area on level 3 of Headington Library. As well as these big tables, there's also bookable study pods where you can all work around the same screen. If you're working on a group project, why not book one of these pods or one of our group study rooms? Both can easily be booked online. From here, you can see much of Headington Library, but this is still just a small fraction of the resources that you have access to as an Oxford Brookes student. You can also access tens of thousands of ebooks, online journal articles, and other digital resources. Library Search is a good place to start your research, because then you'll get print resources and digital resources all showing up in one place. Places like the platform can get very busy during semester time, which we know doesn't suit everybody. So, if you need it, this is our sensory study space on level 3. To use this room, you'll need to book it in advance, but you can easily do that by scanning the QR code on the door. This is a study room, especially designed to be more accessible for those with different sensory needs. You'll find a range of lighting, tactile and seating options, so you can control your study environment.
Another really important place in the library is the wellbeing zone on level 1. This is a great place to get away from your screens. You can unwind with some colouring or work on a jigsaw. This is also where you'll find our wellbeing collection. There's a wide range of books helping you to manage your health, life and well-being at university. You can borrow these books too, using the self-issue machine that we used earlier.
The final stop on this tour is this space on level 2. If you're an education student, listen up. This is the primary teaching collection. It has children's books and other school resources, and you can borrow these to use on your school placements.
So we're back on level 1 now where we started. As well as talking to the staff at the welcome desk, there are other ways to get help, ideas and support. You can email, start an online chat, phone us or book an appointment. And we're also interested in your feedback. If we've done something you like, you should tell us. And if there's something we could do better, you should tell us. We hope you enjoyed exploring Headington Library with us. If you've watched this and still have questions, just let us know.